Alright, welcome to the Engineer Construction Lecture Hub. At this point we are doing a steel bending operation. As you can see, trying to get the bends at both ends to enable us get our formation. So as you can see, it's ongoing. So stay connected to the Engineer Construction Lecture Hub for vital updates as regards to construction. You can see what's the outcome of it. This is the final output. Alright, so we expect to have a double of this top and bottom matting arrangement. So stay connected to the Engineer Construction Lecture Hub to get updates as regards to the various operations as we go on progressively. Yes. Alright, so as you can see, we are doing our reinforcement works, assembling of the mat arrangement for our combined footings. Okay, you are going to have a top and bottom reinforcement arrangement. So as we progress, you get to see how it is being done. Alright, so stay connected to the Engineer Construction Lecture Hub. Updates will be coming subsequently. Alright, so these are the shorter reinforcement for the short span. Okay, over here we have for the longer span, which is the top distribution. Okay, this is meant for the top, the longer reinforcement, while on this we have the shorter reinforcements. So as you can see, the bending is ongoing. It's ongoing. Now, as you can see, this bar is this is the main bar. Okay, this is the main bar. Alright, why this is the distribution? These are the distribution bars. These are the main bars. That runs across the short span. So you can see now this is a rectangular base. Okay, this is a rectangular base. We have the longer side. We have the longer side on this direction. We have the shorter side on this other side. So the bars that runs across the shorter side of it is the main bar, while the longer bar is the distribution. So as you can see, the short bar is at the bottom. So when you turn this, it becomes the bottom, while the longer bar becomes the top distribution. So we expected to have this mat, both the bottom and the top. So it's going to be a kind of a double matted formation. So as you progress, you get to see how the arrangement. All right. Yeah. So like as you can see, the bending operation is ongoing, as well as the assembling of the matting. So we'll get to the section where the cutting of this reinforcement, because as you know, reinforcement works has to do with the measurement, markings, cuttings, assembling, and these are the various stages involved in reinforcement works. So basically, the two operations that are ongoing here, as you can see, is the bending aspect of it over there, then also the assembly. As you can see, it has been assembled here. So we'll get to the section where the cutting operation is ongoing. All right, so let's get to that side. Okay, so let's get to the cutting section. Okay. Alright, this is the cutting section. This is the cutting section. Alright. This is the cutting section. Now these are already cut reinforcements. Okay. Yeah. This is the working environment. Trying to stretch it and also strengthen the reinforcements, as you can see. Yeah. So thereafter, after the strengthening of the reinforcement, there will be markings. All right, you will have to mark the dimensions. Then thereafter, you will now do the cutting. All right, so stay connected to the Engineer Construction Lecture Hub for vital updates as regards to construction. This is our working environment. This is our working area. Okay, you can see the caution tape, indicating the area that is excluded or exclusively for working. All right, so what he's doing over there is trying to strengthen the bent areas, so he can be able to do his measurement accurately and also cut accurately. All right, so yeah, so stay connected to the Engineer Construction Lecture Hub for vital updates. All right.
What is the dimension?
100 millimeters.
Year to year or inch to inch? Kaka.
Wait, into it. Do into it. Let's see. James. As you can see, it's raining at the moment, but we have a shade here, so you can see it's raining, so we have paused for now until the rain stops. So we'll continue, okay? So you can see so far the extent. So immediately after the rains, we'll resume. Yeah. So you can see the days over there. This is a combined footing. Yeah. So stay connected to the Engineer Construction Lecture Hub. Subsequently, we'll do this again. So bye for now.